In today's video, I'll teach you how to connect Facebook on Komoot app. First of all, launch open Komoot application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to connect to Facebook, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the gear icon. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Under the section for connections, at first you'll be able to find this option for Facebook. Tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be able to stay up to date with your friends' adventures by connecting to Facebook. Tap on this option, find friends on Facebook, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to log in to your Facebook account. Komoot will access your name and profile picture, email address and friends list. You can also edit the access if you want. What you have to do is simply log into your account. Now once you do that, you can see over here Facebook will be connected on Komoot app. So that is how you connect Facebook on Komoot app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.